Step into the 2001 Lexus RX 300. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are intermittent wipers, wood grain interior trim, cassette, fog lamps, climate control, daytime running lights, power steering, and heated mirrors. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.